Most oscillators mumble. The Fisher transform shouts. It takes ordinary price data and mathematically reshapes it so that turning points stop looking like gentle curves and start looking like sharp, unmistakable spikes. That is the entire purpose of this indicator. Where the relative strength index rounds off at a top, the Fisher transform snaps. Today, the AI covers the right length setting for the 5-minute, 15-minute, and 1-hour charts, one complete strategy per time frame, and the confirmation tool to pair with each one. Quick note before the first setting. The full guide for this indicator, with every setting and the exact entry rules, is free in the description below. Grab it before the end of the video. Here is the part most videos get wrong, so let us get it right up front. The Fisher transform on TradingView has exactly one input, length, default 9. That is not a limitation, it is the design. The indicator converts prices into a statistical distribution where extreme readings become rare and obvious, so the work that other indicators leave to your settings menu is already done inside the math. Your one decision is the look-back length, and that single number completely changes the personality of the tool, which is why each time frame today gets 2 length options and a reason to pick each. You also get 2 lines on the chart, the Fisher line itself and a trigger line, which is simply the Fisher value from 1 candle ago. The cross between those 2 lines is the engine for every strategy that follows. Start on the 5-minute chart. The standard scalping length is 9. On 5-minute candles that reads the last 45 minutes of price, and it turns intraday reversals into clean spikes beyond plus 1.5 or minus 1.5. The faster option is a length of 5. That compresses the look back to 25 minutes, and the spikes arrive 1 to 2 candles earlier, which on a scalp is often the whole trade. The cost is sensitivity. At length 5, minor wobbles can print as false spikes, so the faster setting belongs in fast markets, the open, major news, high-volume sessions, and nowhere else. The 5-minute strategy is the extreme spike reversal. Wait for the Fisher line to stretch beyond plus 1.5 or minus 1.5. Readings out there are statistically rare. That is the whole point of the transform. Then wait for the Fisher line to cross back through its trigger line. Spike down below minus 1.5, then a cross up through the trigger. That is the long entry. The pairing is a simple volume check. A reversal cross on a candle with above average volume means real participation is stepping in, and the signal is worth taking. On thin volume, skip it. The market has not actually committed, no matter what the oscillator says. Stop below the spike low, target 2 to 1, or the 0 line on the Fisher itself. Now the 15-minute chart. The standard length is 9 here as well, and it remains the benchmark. The alternative worth testing is length 13. On 15-minute candles, 13 reads a bit over 3 hours of price, which filters out lunchtime chop and keeps only the swings that matter for an intraday position you plan to hold for an hour or more. Length 9 gives you more signals and earlier entries. Length 13 gives you fewer, cleaner turns. If you find yourself stopped out twice before the real move starts, that is the sign to move from 9 to 13. The 15-minute strategy is the 0 line momentum ride, and it works differently from the scalp setup. Instead of hunting reversals at the extremes, you trade continuation through the middle. When the Fisher line crosses its trigger line while both are between minus 0.5 and plus 0.5, momentum is turning while price is mid-range, and there is room to run before the indicator reaches an extreme. Take the cross in the direction of the 20-period exponential moving average. Price above the 20 exponential moving average, take upward crosses only. Price below, downward crosses only. The exponential moving average keeps you on the right side of the flow, and the Fisher cross times the entry inside it. Stop below the last swing low, and take profit when the Fisher line stretches beyond plus 1.5, because that is the zone where the crowd that entered late starts becoming the fuel for the reversal you no longer want to be in. On to the 1-hour chart. The swing length is 9, still the default, reading roughly 9 hours of trade, and at the hourly scale, spikes past plus 2 or minus 2 mark genuinely stretched conditions. The slower option is length 21. That is nearly a full trading day inside the calculation, and it signals rarely. But an extreme spike on a length 21 fissure at the hourly level usually marks the kind of turn that holds for days. Swing traders who only check charts a few times a day should default to 21. The 1-hour strategy is the divergence spike. You want two conditions together. First, price makes a new swing low, but the Fisher transform makes a higher low. The selling pressure is fading even as the price prints lower. Second, the Fisher line crosses up through its trigger from below -1.5. Divergence plus the cross from an extreme is one of the strongest reversal combinations this indicator produces. The pairing is the 50-period simple moving average. If the reversal fires below a falling 50, treat it as a bounce and take profit quickly at 2-1. If it fires near a flat or rising 50, the turn has structural support behind it, and you can trail your stop and let it run. Stop beyond the divergence low. First, target the zero line. Second, target the opposite extreme. One warning before the close. The Fisher transform is sharp, and sharp cuts both ways. In a powerful trend, it will spike to an extreme and stay pinned there while price keeps trending, printing what looks like a reversal warning for 10 straight candles. The extreme is never the trade. The cross back through the trigger line is the trade, and even then, only with your volume, moving average, or divergence confirmation attached. Respect that rule, and this becomes one of the cleanest timing tools available for free. The free guide is in the description below. It covers every setting and strategy in this video in full detail. Educational, not financial advice. The AI will see you in the next one.